Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Bishop score. Bishop score is used to predict some approximate time period for the normal vaginal delivery. So you can actually predict a time when within which you expect that the delivery will be happen vaginally. Okay, Bishop score is basically a score of the cervix. So it can be only examined and counted or calculated by pervaginal examination. Self examination not advised until and unless it is used in emergency. So you should not go for self examination. Now, the cervix is the lower part of the uterus. Everybody knows this. This is the uterus, and this is here is the cervix. This is here is the cervix. To be a normal vaginal delivery, what requires two things are required. The first one is good uterine contractions with descent of pregnant presenting part. That is in most of the cases is head. So first of all, you need a good uterine contractions. The second very important part is the cervical ripening, which is called in medical term as a effacement and opening. These two things are very much required for normal vaginal delivery. Now, cervical factor in this delivery is very important part of the deciding factor whether the patient will deliver vaginally or not. So there are certain properties of the cervix we need to use and calculate the score. So for Bishop score, there are 5 properties of the cervix is used as scoring system. For example, first one is the dilatation. The cervix is dilated from either 0 centimeter to 10 centimeter. The effacement or ripening, it is calculated in the percentages, so from 0 to 100 percentages. The station of the head is calculated with the reference range from -3 to +2, with taking as a spines as a 0 station. We will talk about in our different videos how to calculate the station and effacement and all. Consistency is a firm to soft. Cervix can be from firm to soft, so it is also a part. The position of the cervix very important. From the start, cervix actually resides posteriorly, and once the delivery is happening, once the uterine contraction is happening, and the axis of the baby is generating, the cervix will come from posterior to the anterior. Now, the calculation of the Bishop score, and then after interpretation of the score, if it is more than 8, that means the vaginal delivery is in near future. So, it's good to be admitted in the hospital or nearby, staying nearby the hospital. If it is less than 5, so vaginal delivery is not going to be in next 20, at least 48 hours. But again, these are predictions. Nobody can predict exactly, but if the Bishop score is 0, then it is highly unlikely that you will get delivered vaginally even within a week. So take this score as a prediction and not one and only deciding factor whether you go for vaginal delivery or not. So this was all about Bishop score. I have a particular file in my computer which makes you easy to calculate the Bishop score. This is the file. I have download link in my description, so please get download from that link. So here let's calculate one. For example, if I am seeing a patient and dilatation of the cervix is, let's say, 4 centimeter. So if I take 4 centimeter, it will go for score 2. Then the effacement, if the effacement is 60 to 70%, then it will be score again 2. The station is high, again -2, so the score will be 1. Consistency of the cervix is medium, so the score will be 1. The position of the cervix is mild or mid position, not mild, here is a mid position, so the score again will be given as a 1. So here the total score becomes 7. That means it is between 5 and 8. So it's not that you should directly or emergency go into the hospital to get delivered, but this Bishop score 7 tells you the mid range between either go for delivery or not go for delivery. So again, at this score, If I am a doctor, I will advise you to stay nearby the hospital, or if you are staying far away from the hospital, better get admitted in the hospital. So, thank you very much for this information. Thank you.